Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to get enrolled in HSBC Bank UK online banking. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into a new browser and search for HSBC UK Bank. Click on this first website over here. Now, we can see this option called Register over here. So, let's tap on this. Now, click on Register Now. Click on Continue. Now, we need to enter all of our details to verify our identity. Let's go for sort code and account number and click on Continue. Enter your sort code here, enter your account number, date of birth, and enter the first, fourth, and sixth digit of your telephone security number. After all of this is done, simply click on Continue. After this, verification of your details will be done, and you'll get into the next step, which is the creation of a username and password. Afterward, we'll get enrolled in HSBC UK Bank online banking interface. So, that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.